Disadvantages of gas heater. Health problems linked to faulty gas heaters. A faulty gas heater can cause serious health problems. Health problems that seems to be worse or only occurs when the heating is on may be caused by carbon monoxide from a faulty gas heater. Carbon monoxide is colorless and odorless. High levels of carbon monoxide in the air are very dangerous and may cause people to pass out or even die. Children, pregnant women, and their unborn babies, older people, and people with chronic illness such as heart and lung diseases are at increased risk from air populated or air pollutants including carbon monoxide. Symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning include tiredness, shortness of breathing, headache, dizziness, nausea, weakness, confusion, chest pain. If you suspect you may be affected by carbon monoxide, open window and doors, turn off the appliances, and go outside to breathe fresh air. See your GP and ask whether your symptoms may be related to carbon monoxide, and get your gas heater serviced before you use it again. If you are not using your gas heater, consider safe alternative way of keeping warm, as cold temperature may also cause health problems, particularly for young children, older people, and those with chronic illness. If you know someone in this situation, consider checking on them. What you might be able to do help. Have your heater serviced regularly. All types of gas heaters should be serviced a minimum of every 2 years by licensed gas fitter and tested for carbon monoxide spillage. This includes all central heating units, space heater, well unit, and gas log fire. Only use a licensed gas fitter who has completed training on detecting and correcting risk of carbon monoxide spillage. Before you book, make sure to ask if the gas fitter has the right equipment and has completed this training, as poorly functioning or faulty gas appliances can be a source of monoxide exposure, which is a risk to health and sometimes life. Professional servicing include inspection of flue and chimney is recommended. Get your heater serviced if it has not been serviced for 2 years. There is a yellow or sooty flame. The pilot light gas out unexpectedly or pop or bang the lighting. There are signs of heating damage, such as discoloration of wall or heater panel. The wall becomes too hot to touch while the heater is on. There are soot stains around the heater. Immediately there is any sign of trouble. Manufacturers and suppliers usually have recommended service agents. You can use these if you wish. You can also inquire with your gas company search engine, search online, or check the yellow pages. If you do find a gas heating specialist from the yellow page or online, make sure that they are licensed gas fitter endorsed for gas appliances services. You can If you do find a gas heating specialist from the Yellow Pages or online, make sure that they are a licensed gas fitter endorsed for gas appliance servicing. Using carbon monoxide alarms. Consider buying a audioable carbon monoxide alarm. Carbon monoxide alarm can be a useful backup precaution but shouldn't be considered as substitute for the proper installation and maintenance of gas heating appliances.